Okay, hello everyone. This is Daniel from Artificial Intelligence Colombia. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today's video is about show you how does a client server connection works. As you can see here, we have both the server and the client. So basically what we are intended to do with this mining project is to establish a communication channel between a script process or service, whether from the from the same machine or from another machine inside the LAN or where we are connected to. And in the other side, basically what we have here is our client. This client, once the server is turned on, will be able to connect to the server and establish this connection. Now there are many different ways of communication, whether sending messages, documents, any type of data basically. But here what we have is kind of a chat, so let me show you how does it works. Firstly, I will turn on our server, and this will be done by this client server connection, and this is the server number 2. So basically the server is already listening, and in another command line interface I will run the client. So we're going to do the same client server connection and client. So as you can see here on this side, we are able to see that there is somebody connected to our server. In this case, we are in the localhost IP with this port number, and it's from this client. So I'm going to say hi. There you have it. From the server side, we received the message, and now we are going to reply. Hello, this is server. Okay, and there we have our reply from the server. Now, for example, we can create many ways to pause or to finish the connection. In this case, the server and the client will be able to communicate until the client says the magic word, and this is exist. As you can see here, whenever we as users type this word, then it will break the while loop that keeps ongoing the connection between these two parties, and basically will terminate the connection. So I'm going to say okay, goodbye, and exit. Let me check. Okay, so once I get the exit message from the client, at the moment when I'm going to reply to him, the connection is already finished, and then it appears this prompt that says client has exited. So that is pretty much our first client server connection, and this is our first cybersecurity mining project. This is like our kickoff. Please share your thoughts on this, or let me know what you think about this type of contents where we create a small mini project and start developing from that base. Yeah, keep following us. I hope to keep uploading videos where we can enhance our knowledge base about security. And thank you for being here. So see you in the next video. Bye.